What's up, guys? This is Viral here with another tutorial on how to gain administrative um, privileges on a regular standard account. So right here I have a VM set up specifically for this. I have an administrative account and I have a standard account. This one doesn't have a password obviously, but this one does. And I do know the password, but I don't. This is just strictly just to show you what this is all about. But before I continue, this is for educational purposes only. I cannot stress enough about that. Probably the main reason why you'd want to do this is because you have an old like Windows 7 computer or something and you have special files on there, but you just can't remember the password for the life of you, and you don't want to wipe the computer. So but good thing there's a way to do this. What you'll need is this exploit over here, and this pretty much gives you administrative access with command prompt. So let's type in CMD, and if you'll notice over here we don't have administrative access on the command prompt, and we just want to do net user, figure out what the administrative accounts are. So we have our test administrator, and let's try to change the password regularly. Make the password. It says access is denied, system error 5 has occurred. So that means we don't have admin access. So what we want to do right now is open up this, and you'll see a bunch of files open up on the desktop, which is fine, or a folder if you made a folder for it. And if you look over here to the top left hand corner, we do have administrative access on this command prompt. So what we want to do again is just check it out. Administrator test. So let's try to change that password. It says the command has completed successfully. Well, has it? Let's double check here. Let's switch user. Let's type in the password. Well, look at that. Now we have administrative access. We have access back to the old computer. We can open up this, and here we are. Yeah. All credits go to the devs that made this exploit. I found this exploit on GitHub, so you're more than welcome to go to the GitHub link in the description below. It will tell you all the Windows versions that it's compatible with. I tried with the latest 1803 update of Windows 10. It just did not want to work, but that's completely understandable because now most Windows 10 machines have are linked to your email, and that's all online. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please smash that like button. If you didn't like it, obviously, by all means. And yeah, we'll see you guys later. Thanks for chilling.